Hi mathematicians. Today we're going to talk about what is it between, meaning we're going to look at some numbers and determine where they would be plotted on a number line. For example, when I have this number 451,005 and I show my number line, I'm going to see what is this number between. So here's my number line. When determining what two numbers this number goes between, I'm going to look at my largest place value. So my largest place value tells me that it's in the hundred thousands place. I have 400,000 here, but I know that it's not going to be larger than 500,000, so I know my plot is going to fall somewhere in between. So when I plot my dot, I know it's going to go somewhere in between this number, in between these two numbers, so 400,000 and 500,000, because my number is just a little bit larger than 400,000, but not larger than 500,000. So I'm going to show you a couple examples, and I'm going to put my dot just like this on my examples. So first thing, I will know I want to put my numbers in my place value chart so I can see what my largest place value is. So this number goes all the way up to the 10,000s place. It's 65,200. And here on my number line, I have 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, and 70,000. This number starts in the it starts at 60,000. So I know I need to look here and see if any of my other numbers match. So it's not 30,000, 40,000, or 50,000. I come here to 60,000. And I know it's 65, which is in the middle somewhere, and it's not larger than 70,000. So I know my point is going to go, again, somewhere here in the middle. I'm going to show you another example, and before I plot my dot, I want you to pause the video and practice. Okay, for this number, it's going to go up to the hundred thousands place. So it's 280,421. Underneath, I have 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, and 400,000. I need to determine between what two numbers is my plot going to go. So I know my number is valued at 200,000. So I'm going to start here at 200,000, and it is not larger than 300,000. That dot goes somewhere around here. It doesn't have to be exact because you just want to know where it's going to fall in between. So this number is more or greater than 200,000, but less than 300,000. So for this next one, before I show you where my dot is, draw this number line on a piece of paper, pause the video here, and see if you can determine between what two numbers does this number go. Okay, hopefully you pause the video. Now I'm going to read my number out and determine what place value it's in. So my number is 475,621, and it is in the hundred thousands place. So the value of this digit is 400,000. But it keeps going, so I know it's going to be greater than 400,000. But it's not more than 500,000. So again, your dot should have fallen somewhere in between 400,000 and 500,000. Go ahead and make up your own numbers, maybe even try it up to the millions place and see if you can plot your dot on your own number line. Good luck, mathematicians.